Welcoming. Have you ever been scammed by a phone call? Well, you could call yourself as a victim of data breach. Your identity, your control. My name is Hui. On behalf of my team members, now we have come up with a solution that is SSI Credential Wallet to solve this data breach. Facts. In 2021, more than 533 million users are affected in Facebook data breach incidents. The data such as phone numbers, locations, and birth dates are all exposed. Not only in US, the data breach incidents in Malaysia was concerning. The number of data breach incidents was doubled twice in 2023. The main reason could be unauthorized access, identity theft, and the most important, lack of user control over personal data. To address this issue, our digital wallet uses self-sovereign technology to store users' credential data. We allow the user to decide which data to share, ensuring only to share the minimum amount of data, where the data is stored securely in blockchain, so no more relying on centralized database. Additionally, the QR code functionality allows users to simply scan and display QR code for the whole credential validation process. So how does it work? The user will first register a wallet in the application, and a unique wallet address will be given. Next, managing credential. Let's say today the user has done a health test in a very trustworthy health organization. The organization so-called issuer will issue a credential certificate to the user to prove the user healthy. The user will then scan the QR code in the certificate issued using the SSI Wallet application. So from now on, when the user was asked to prove themselves healthy, simply display the QR code to another organization, so-called verifier, which the user got to choose which information to share. This diagram visualizes the relationship between the issuer SSI Wallet application and the verifier. The issuer and verifier will be able to collaborate with SSI Wallet by using a third-party API. The must-chain API will be used for wallet and smart contract creation in the blockchain. The SSI Wallet will be using biometric security methods, which is Face ID for authentication access. And by the way, the Face ID feature will be going to implement in the near future development. Have a look on the product demo. The user will use Face ID for authentication process. For tech implementation, we are using must-chain API for blockchain integration, React Native for support iOS and Android mobile platform, and Tailwind CSS for responsive front-end design. Our SSI wallet is scalable and has great potential to implement in Malaysia. The application has optimum performance. We use lazy loading techniques where the components only loaded when needed. Furthermore, we focus on the core functionality with lightweight UI, and we are using React Native as backend to support iOS and Android platform, and Expo for streamlined deployment. Our SSI wallet application saves your time. No more filling forms. Simply show your QR code to provide information. With our SSI wallet application, users control what they share. As we say, your identity, your control. Believe or not, SSI eliminates centralized database. It reduces data breach risk to nearly 0%. The source code is available in the GitHub link. Welcome to visit.